Welcome to our full guide on how to fix WhatsApp loading problems. Let's explore the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong connection. If using mobile data, consider switching to Wi-Fi or vice versa to improve connectivity. Next, clear the app cache. Navigate to your device's settings, locate the WhatsApp app, and clear its cache. This can help resolve any temporary data-related issues. Make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Check for updates in the Google Play Store and ensure you have the most recent version installed on your DVC to benefit from bug fixes and improvements. If the problem persists, try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve app-related issues. Turn off your device, wait for a few seconds, and then power it back on to see if this resolves the loading problems. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix WhatsApp loading issues, ensuring a smooth and seamless messaging experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in resolving any loading problems you may encounter on WhatsApp. Simplify the process and optimize your app performance by following these troubleshooting steps.